Hello and welcome to a quick video where I'm going to re-demonstrate how to submit a file because this is kind of a weird process and I just want to make sure that everybody's clear on how exactly it works. So this is what the first tutorial looks like in the class, and in order to submit a file, first you'll have the name of the tutorial and then you'll have a link to the tutorial with the text and a video and all that. And so what you do is you would go to your ITECH 100 folder or wherever in your Google Drive. You would create the file or copy the file if there was a start file from the video, and then we'll give this file a name. We're going to call it introduction. We're going to say hello world, and let's say this completed the parameters of the assignment, so I want to submit this. So I go back to the assignment here, I hit start assignment, and here it'll ask me for a website URL. This is what it's asking for, but this is not what we want. We don't want to submit a URL, and the temptation to submit this is strong, but don't do it. Don't submit that. Go to the Google Drive tab, link up your Google address, your Google account. Should be fairly straightforward. It'll walk you through the process. And then scroll down, find your folder where you have the file that you want to submit, then scroll down until you find the file that you want to submit, and then hit link. And then it'll create a new URL, and that's the URL that you're submitting, and then you hit submit, and that's it. And that is how you do it. If you have any questions about this, please contact me as soon as possible, because this is kind of a weird process, but at the end of the day, it works really well for everybody, including me and you. So have a great day, and we'll see you next time.